Right, I'm going to use my spare bit of paper to cut some strips. I'm going to cut a narrow strip, short narrow strip, and then a much longer strip, because I think the tiger face gets much wider as it goes along. Cut that off for speed. And I'm going to now join it with masking tape, this first one, to the side, both on the outside and on the inside. And this is a template, so we're actually going to pull it apart later on and draw around it on proper card. But it means that any mistakes we make in the paper, not with the card, and it saves a lot of time because card is a lot more difficult to cut. And we'll be using knives to cut the card. Now I've got to decide how high up I want the top of that nose. I don't want it that high, I want to bring it down to something like that. Okay, that looks about right. Let's bend it to the right position. Yeah, to me that looks right. It's a bit long, so I'm going to cut off the spare and then tape it down on the outside and on the inside again. There we go, inside there. Now I want it to get wider, so now I'm going to add another piece, but instead of having it going straight, I'm going to look at putting it on at a slant. So already that slant helps it to go more smoothly up as a curve as it goes up the face. Alright, so I'm going to tape that on there. And now I pull it open to how wide I want it, and I decide where it needs to be taped on the other side. So roughly there, up a bit more. So just cut that bit off there. Mark it with a pencil where I need to tape it. Let it go. And then put it back on the line, tape it down on the outside, tape it down on the inside, and you can see that it's becoming three-dimensional. Alright, so this is all we need from our paper template, because we can fill this in with the mache tape. And then I've got another piece, and I'll do the same with the underneath of the jaw, but this would then be a big open jaw like that. Okay, you sort of get the idea. Good.